famous, what they call me.
Needed are going to be your wig, brush, bleach, red L'Oreal color, and conditioner. Let's go. So you're going to want to squeeze out one tube of your L'Oreal color, and then you're going to do 1 part color, 2 part developer. So you're going to do 2 parts, which would be two parts of the color. Double up the color with the bleach, pretty much. Then you're going to stir and mix that very well till all the products have pretty much blended together, just like this. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's get these gloves on and let's get to coloring our hair, ladies. Once we layer the color the way we want to, we're then going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Then it's time to rinse. And yes, ladies, this is the wig we have created. No bleach was used, only developer and the L'Oreal color. Definitely the deets will be in the description box. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. You're following me on Facebook and also on Instagram, Skittlezworldofbeat. You see it right there on the screen. Now, with this wig, we're gonna go back in on another video and we're gonna add a few more brighter red highlights just because this wig is for my niece and I know she wants it maybe just a smidget brighter, but not too much. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do some comb in highlights on this hair on the next video. But for you ladies who just want that red, deep red look and not too bright, ladies, this is gonna be the look for you. But make sure you stay tuned and make sure you keep following. It's your girl Skittlez, baby.